We will discuss about the multiplication and the division for using the significant figures. There is a small rule and a short rule for the significant figure of the result of the multiplication and division. The result may have no more significant figures than the starting number with the fewest significant figure. What means this? That means if we have a multiplication or a division, we have to check and we have to know the number of significant figure in each starting number. In this case, in the first example, how many significant figure? This zero is leading zero, never count as significant figure. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 non-zero digits, so there are 3 significant figures. Okay, let's move to the second example. Significant figures. The second example is 2.2. How many significant figures in this example? Both two are non-zero digits, so they are count as a significant figure, and we have 2 significant figures. Here, how many significant figure? All of them are non-zero digits, so they are count as significant figure. So here we have 4 significant figures. Now we will check the lowest significant figure numbers. So here in the example, in the rule, we said the result may have no more significant figure than the starting number with the fewest significant figure. So we will choose the fewest significant figure. Here in our case, we have 2. So the result of the calculator of this example, 0.745 times 2.2 divided by 4.885 is equal 0.4218790219. So in our case, we said that we will choose only 2 significant figures. Okay, so 0 is not count as significant figure, 4 is count as significant figure, and 2 is count as significant figure. But here, please be careful. You have to check the number after this significant figure. If this integer is greater or equal to 5, we have to round to the upper number or upper digit. If this number is lower than 5, so we have to round to the 0. In our case, this one is lower than 5. So where we have to round? We have to round to the 0, and our result will be 0.42. That's all. Yes, that's all. How many significant figures here? We have 2 significant figures. We have the 4 and we have the 2, and here we have 2 significant figures, and this is our correct result. Let's move to the second example. In the second example, we have 1.32578 times 10 power 7 times 4.11 times 10 power negative 3. You can see here that we have the 10 power. These 10 power, they are not count at first. Now let's check how many significant figures in this example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures and 6 digits non-zero. So they are count as significant figures, and we have 6 significant figures. How many significant figures in this number? We have 3 non-zero digits. That means 3 significant figures. So the result must contain 6 or 3 significant figures. Of course, 3 significant figures, because here we said the result may have no more significant figures than the starting number with the fewest significant figures. Okay, so here we will choose 3 significant figures. The result from our calculator is 5.448955 times 10 power 4. Okay, so, and we will choose only 3 significant figures. Let's choose 3 significant figures. 5, 4, 4, non-zero digits, so they are count as significant figures. But please, as I told you, be careful. Check the number after the last significant figure. We have 8. 8 is greater than 5. So what we will do? We have to round. Where we have to round? We have to round the 4 to the 5. And the result will be 5.45. This is our result, and very good. So our result is, don't forget please, the 10 power 4. Okay, So our result is 5.45 times 10 power 4. I think it's clear. Let's move to the next example. In the next example here, we have 11.7 kilometer times 15.02 kilometer. Let's check the significant figure numbers. Here we have 3 significant figure. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. This 0 is called captive 0. It's always count. So which one we will choose? We will choose the 3 significant figures, and the result from the calculator is 175.734. So we will choose only 3 significant figures. Let's check here 1, 7, and 5. These are 3 significant figures. But as I told you, be careful. You have to check the number after the last significant figure. This number is 7. Of course, it's greater than 5. And what we will do, we will round. What we will round? We will round this 5 to the 6. And the result will be 176. How many significant figures here? We have 3. So what we will do to this decimal point and what we will do to this integers, just we will cancel and we will erase these digits, and our answer is 176. That's all? But no, it's not that's all. We have here the unit. We have here the unit. So for the unit, we have to do the same operation as the number. What is our operation here? It's the multiplication. So we have to multiply kilometer by kilometer, and it will give kilometer squared. And this is our result. Thank you so much. See you.